Hey, welcome back to Family Investment on YouTube. You guys are wondering, why did the market sell off last week and the Chinese went up? What's happening going forward with Nvidia's upcoming earnings? Is it something to be aware? Should I be selling my stocks? Today we're going to speak about that, and let's get in there now. So week 9 going forward, 2025. Let's recap what happened last week. Nobody really spoke about it on social media. Everybody just screams at their own stock saying, oh, it's dropped down, it's time to buy, it's good fundamentals, look at the sales, look at the revenue. And if it goes up, everybody just goes, look at me, I bought early, I will down, But there's no value. So here I'm hoping to create value for you guys, knowing what you are expecting and why. What is the reason it's causing it? Because nobody speaks about macro like me. Okay, so let's speak about macro. Fed's, Moody's, AAA bond yield. This is key. This is something that I've looked more this year than any other years because it's going up. 5.46, the best bond yield out there. Moody's, the most consistent one. And why? When it's up, it's not good news. When it's up, our stock market value goes down. Not caring about your cash flow, your Nvidia or your Google or your Microsoft, what cash flow. The value of your stock will go down every time the yield goes up. Okay, formula of the E equals MC squared, equivalent of this is the 1965 Graham yield formula of valuation. Valuation of a stock or a Nasdaq or an index, it is dependent on your yield. If your yield is consistently low, great, let's go bull. But if yield keeps going up for a reason like we have seen here on a straight line, something is not right. So it goes up, that we have to be concerned, and we're still uncovering because things are still not correlating here. Okay. Next one, gold is going up, all-time high. This is very uncomfortable. Gold's going up like we're going to have World War III soon, okay? I mean, yeah, isn't it? Isn't that the case? So here I'm trying to explain that you have to watch gold price. I don't care about the oil and everything else, but the gold price is going up. So everybody's buying oil, everyone's worried about something, okay? Trump trade wars, whatever, but the gold's going up. That is the point here, and people are buying, okay? Next thing is the VIX, okay? I'm trying to unlock my iPad here, the VIX. So the VIX, is it going to go higher next week? Because as you all know, let me switch over to my screen here. If the VIX goes higher, it means the sell-off is more aggressive. And where did the VIX leave us on Friday? Okay, as you can see here, the VIX is starting to breach through my blue bar here. I know it's a bit of a pullback, but if you see the VIX going high, you see at the MACD here on the blue and red here, it's starting to form a cycle of going up higher. So the probability next week that it's going to go up higher on Monday, Tuesday is likely. So people taking profits and selling is likely, more likely. It can change, but it's more likely to go up. And you know, if the VIX goes on a mega sell-off, it pushes higher. But as we've seen this week, it's a rotation from the smaller cap, mid-sized stocks into the Chinese market. So will we see it even higher? We have to wait next week because it's a big thing happening next week. And what? Do you guys remember what's happening next week? What's happening next week? Let's go. I'll tell you what's happening next week, okay? It's the earnings, yeah? It's the earnings. It's the one and only earnings from Nvidia on Wednesday. So if next week, Monday, Tuesday, people taking profit, not knowing what's going to happen to Nvidia, I'm not surprised. If there's a sell-off on Monday, Tuesday, I'm not surprised. If it goes even higher Monday, Tuesday, then it's not what we don't know. But why are people buying ahead of Nvidia earnings? Because the more you buy, if Monday, Tuesday, it goes up, yeah, and Nvidia does badly, we're going to get a huge drop, okay? I rather them cushion down lower than going higher. I've got my preference, but I don't control the market, but be anticipative for what could happen next week, okay? And another thing that I would like to show is, like I said, bond yield goes up, gold goes up, stock goes up. That's not right, folks. That is not right. Okay, so this is me on BuyTrigger.CLUB members, anticipating what's happening next week. Hope to join you guys on the Nvidia earnings, but beware where you're going from. And remember, Monday, which is tomorrow, I'll be sharing my newsletter. Remember to sign up at alexco.me or the bio in whatever links that you're watching here from. And I'll be sharing on what are the buy triggers that you should be looking for. If not, always come and join my BuyTrigger.CLUB members. That's where they get the first-hand information. I hope you enjoy this. I hope this is useful for you guys. And always remember, this is Alex Co. And hope to see you next week. Bye.